This is an important question which is not there in your NCERT, but many a times it has been seen in your CBSE board exam. 300 apples are distributed among a certain number of students. You have total 300 apples with you. Had there been 10 more students, more here again means plus, अगर 10 बच्चे और ज़्यादा होते, each would have got 1 apple less. Then obviously when suppose you have a pack of toffees with you, you are distributing in your class, and suppose everybody is getting 2 toffees each. If you increase the number of students, if you plan to distribute it in the next section also, then you may have to give 1 to each, right? Instead of 2 toffees, now you may have to give 1 toffee each. So it is a common thing when the shareholders increased, when the number of students, number of the participants increase, the share of each obviously gets lowered down, right? 1 apple less. Find the original number of students. So let us assume that the original number of students be x. Let us see this work. Number of students in case 1, x. In second case, x plus 2. Number of apples, 300. Share of each beta. How do you find share? Total quantity available upon my number of students. Total upon my number of students. Clearly in first case your share will be more. So S1 is greater than S2, क्योंकि यहाँ पे वही सेम चीज़ आप 10 और एक्स्ट्रा बच्चों के साथ शेयर कर रहे हो, तो आपका शेयर कम हो जाएगा, है ना बेटा? So S1 is greater than S2, and what is the difference in the share in 2 cases? 1, because it is given 1 apple less. Now S1 is 300 upon x minus 300, x plus 10, taking 300 common, and LCM of x and x plus 10. You know how to solve it. When you open the bracket, these two will get cancelled. So 300 into 10 upon my x square plus 10x. So x square plus 10x, when you cross multiply, it will be 3000. Bring it here. अब एक चीज़ ध्यान रखनी है बेटा. 3000 you have to factorize to get 10, right? In one question there was 5. I told you get 5 somehow. Here it is 10. So I will say factorize 3000 in a way that you get 10 somehow, right? तो आपने 3000 के फैक्टर्स कर दो 30 and 100. 100 is 10, 10. 30 is 6, 5. You can see 5 and 10 can be clubbed for 50. 6 and 10 can be clubbed to give 60. So 10x is 60 minus 50x. Rest you know how to factorize. Taking x common from here and minus 50 common from these two. So x is equal to 50 and here x minus 60, which is not possible if number of students can't be negative. So thus original number of students is 50, right? You can cross check for yourself. See, 300 upon 50, it will give you 6. 300 upon 50 gives you 6. And when you divide it by 50 plus 10, which is 60, you get 5. And 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. So that means your answer is correct. Clear? Thank you.